Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Roku channel on your Samsung Smart TV using Chromecast, follow these simple steps to stream free entertainment content. Step 1. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV has a Chromecast device connected to one of its HDMI ports. Or verify that your Samsung TV has built-in Chromecast functionality, which many newer models include. Step 2. Connect your Chromecast device to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone or tablet. This is essential for the casting process to work correctly between your mobile device and TV. Step 3. Download and install the Roku Channel app on your smartphone or tablet from the Apple App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 4. Open the Roku Channel app on your mobile device. You can browse content as a guest or sign in with your Roku account for a personalized experience and access to your watch list. Step 5. Select the content you want to watch from the Roku Channel's extensive library of free movies, TV shows, and live channels. Tap on a title to view more details. Step 6. Look for the cast icon, which appears as a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the corner. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the app interface. Tap on it. Step 7. From the list of available devices, select your Chromecast device or Samsung TV. The device should be listed with its assigned name from when you set it up. Step 8. After selecting your TV, the content will begin playing on your Samsung Smart TV through Chromecast. You can control playback, adjust volume, and browse for more content using your mobile device. To stop casting, tap the cast icon again and select Stop Casting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.